to go through some PYQs of defense and security related questions for CDS and NDA. ये ज्यादातर NDA questions से ज्यादा CDS में पूछते हैं. Now, in defense and security related questions, missiles are a topic that comes often. अब missiles में you have to know कि इंडिया के कितने missiles हैं. India's inventory of missiles, you have to be familiar with this. उसके साथ you have to know उनके features क्या है. Let's say we have ballistic and cruise missile. A very basic understanding of ballistic and cruise आपको जानना है. इंडिया के पास some important missiles जैसे कि ब्रह्मोस, अग्नि जो है, you have to know the range. उनका कितना रेंज है, वो कितने दूर तक जा सकते हैं, उतना कितना, what's their speed. These are the basic features you have to know. Also, you have to know about missile defense. Missile defense basically means आप दूसरे कंट्रीज के मिसाइल्स से बचने के लिए what is your defense systems. इंडिया के पास कौन से डिफेंस सिस्टम्स है अपने इंडिजिनस बनाए हुए. At the same time, what other systems and missiles have they taken from other countries. ये क्वेश्चन ज्यादातर करंट अफेयर्स में आ सकते हैं. अगर रिसेंटली जो ऑपरेशंस हुए हैं, ऑपरेशंस में कौन सा मिसाइल यूज हुआ है, दैट्स वन करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन. सेकंड इज कि कौन से नए नए मिसाइल्स अभी इंडिया बना रहे हैं, या कौन से मिसाइल्स और डिफेंस सिस्टम इंडिया ने दूसरे कंट्री से लिए हैं. सो ऐसे करके वी गेट सम क्वेश्चंस. नाउ गोइंग टू द PYQs. पहला है the term thermal high altitude area defense sometimes mentioned in news refers to what. ये न्यूज में कभी बहुत बार आता है. This is not a missile itself, this is a missile defense system. So basically it's a system to protect the country from another country's missile. Abhi, if you're familiar that this is a defense system, आप ये क्वेश्चन में भी देख सकते हैं, it's a defense related thing. You're protecting yourself from something. So the correct option is an anti-missile system. Now going to the next question. With reference to BrahMos missile, बहुत बार BrahMos को लेके क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. What's the meaning of BrahMos? What kind of missile is it? Is it a cruise missile or a ballistic missile? कौन से कंट्रीज ने एक साथ ये बनाया? So इसके क्वेश्चंस बहुत बार रिपीट होते हैं. Now they have given three statements. We have to see which statement for BrahMos missile is true. Now इसके लिए you have to be aware इंडिया के जो इम्पोर्टेंट मिसाइल्स है उसका रेंज क्या है, which means वो कितने दूर तक जा सकते हैं. ब्रह्मोस का रेंज 290 किलोमीटर्स है. If you are aware of this, first option is correct. उसका स्पीड 2.8 मार्क्स है. We have to be aware of the speed of the important missiles and the range as well. के लिए आपको in depth information होना चाहिए for at least the most important missiles and the current recent missiles. Now 3 में it's cruising altitude. Basically मिसाइल कितने दूर तक जा सकता है, that is the range. स्पीड कितने जल्दी जा सकता है, वो स्पीड है. और ग्राउंड से उसका जो डिस्टेंस है इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, दैट इज 30 किलोमीटर्स और नॉट. अभी ये गलत. ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल का क्रूजिंग स्पीड मैक्सिमम कैन गो cruising altitude 15 kilometer. So the correct option is option A. 1 and 2 are correct. इसके अलावा before going to details आपको ये जानना है कि ब्रह्मोस क्रूज मिसाइल है and it's a joint venture developed by India and Russia. BrahMos name also comes from two rivers. Bra stands from Brahmaputra and Mos is for Moscow River of Russia. So that's how India and Russia partnered it together. Going to the next question. From which of the following countries has India produced the S-400 Triumph air defense system? अभी इसके लिए we have to know general knowledge. Recent बहुत बार न्यूज में आता है, ये न्यूज में आया था for Operation Sindoor also. वहाँ पे मेंशन होगा that India has gotten this air defense system. ये एक सिस्टम है जो बाहर के जो मिसाइल्स आते हैं उससे प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. It has been taken from Russia. So the correct option is Russia. Going ahead, which of the following statements about India's military arsenal is or are correct? Now, India's military arsenals can be a lot. It may have a lot of fighter aircraft, lots of ships, submarines. The basic is that you have to know a good idea about the majority of India's military arsenal. At the same time, अगर आप news follow करोगे, जो operations में use होते हैं, उनके बारे में आ सकता है. These were used in Operation Sindoor, because of which it came in the question as well. Now you have to know Scalp cruise missile is known as Storm Shadow. BrahMos missile are built under a joint venture between India and Russia. Now we know that this is correct. यहाँ पे option number 3 इन दोनों में है. Hammer is a weapon system built for a Rafale fighter aircraft. All three are correct, so the correct option is option 1, 2 and 3. A and B eliminate हो जाता है. Between B and C, you can't do any more elimination. You have to have a basic idea of India's military arsenals. These three have been mentioned in Operation Sindoor. Going ahead, which missile system is often called India's indigenous alternative to Russian S-400 Triumph? We all know Russian S-400 is a missile defense system. India ने Russia से लिया है. It helped in Operation Sindoor. However, India also wishes to have its own missile defense system. They are making an indigenous alternative. वो अपने से एक बनाना चाहता है, a system which will be similar to Russia's S-400. So ये alternative जो news में आता है, that is Project Kusha. Now going ahead, which of the following weapons were used by Indian Air Force during Operation Sindoor in May 2025? If you have gone through that general information, as I said earlier also, Scalp was used, Hammer had been used, and BrahMos had been used as well. So the correct option is option 1, 2 and 3. That's it for today. So as we go ahead with the questions, you have to be aware of two things. आपको missiles के बारे में जानना पड़ेगा, and you have to know about missile defense system. At the same time, you have to know the important missiles and systems जो आपके GK में भी cover हो जाता है. General knowledge. The second is current affairs. Recently कौन से use हो रहा है? Recent induction, recent uses, induction, commissioning, decommissioning, उसमें आपको इनका information पता चल जाता है. Likewise, when you're studying about missiles, you have to know main feature क्या है उसका. At the same time, you have to know whether it's a cruise missile, ballistic missile, क्या वो surface से release होता है, air से release होता है, या water से release होता है. After you know the features, you have to know the range. After knowing the range, you have to know the speed. Speed के बाद you have to know the altitude. And lastly, you have to know whether it's indigenous or whether it's taken from another country or jointly developed by other country, and whether finally, if you go ahead, features में ballistic cruise कहाँ से deploy हो रहा है, whether you can release it from air, from fighter aircraft, etc. कौन सा मिसाइल राफेल के लिए बन रहा है, कौन सा मिसाइल सुखोई के लिए बन रहा है. You have to know some basic idea about all that. ये सब, although it's vast, when you follow current affairs, the information gets lesser. You don't have to memorize everything. You have to memorize only the relevant and important topics. That's it. That is a summary. How do you have to approach missiles when you're studying for CDS exams or NDA exams? So going ahead, we'll be going with some more questions related to this. Thank you.